lined up and ready to go. Welcome back to the channel, guys. So today we're actually doing a little review of this scat pack. If you look at it, it looks like a regular shaker scat pack, but it's not, and I'm gonna tell you why in a second. Just look at this 426. If you have an idea what the 426 is, the scat packs come in a 392. Now 426 is the biggest block that Mopar has. Not only that, look at the long tube headers. So this car is kind of completely maxed out. Look at the riding height, which makes it amazing. It's completely lowered on springs. The body here, Alan has been working a lot on his car to look good, run good. Not only that, sounds amazing. So we're gonna pop up the hood now, and then we're gonna show you one other interesting thing about this 426. Now, any regular scat pack, you know, everything looks normal, but then you have, hey, why is there a boost controller here? That's what we're gonna find out right now. Let me show you guys. We're gonna take these pins off. Sorry for the noise. We're at the Texas Motor Speedway, and there's the laps of Veteran going on. Going back to this, pulley. Why do you think there is an extra pulley? It is supercharged. So how cool is that? You got the shaker, that's 426 and supercharged. This build is amazing, you know. Cosmetically, it's hard to get better than that. Now, one cool thing about the shaker, most or all other Challengers doesn't come cleared on the inside of the engine bay, but the shaker does. Because of this big opening, they expect dirt to come in, so they make it clear so that dust doesn't stick there. It makes it look cleaner, honestly. This build was just done, so he doesn't have any idea how much it runs or how much power it makes. So we're still tuning it. It's on a bass tune right now, and we're gonna start it up so you guys can hear how amazing it is. So let's take a look. We're gonna start it up right now. The hood is open. Mopars, we need to close the hood so we can remote start it.
Now they're passing. Here goes.
Hear that chop? That chop doesn't come from the supercharger or 426. It also has a big cam in it, so it's completely built, completely built up. Port internals, everything is done to this car, and just looking at it, it looks like a regular lowered scat pack, which makes it amazing. So it's a wonderful boat. Hopefully I can be there at the track whenever he goes and run it for the first time, you guys how my body's Scat Pack or 426 Hemi is doing. In the line to go to do the lap of veterans. So got the Shaker here, Hellcat, got a Ram, and coincidentally this Scat Pack looks very similar to the one I had, but it's not obviously it because there's no white Brimbos. And there's another one in front of it which looks very good. It's a Hellcat, got some different kind of wheels on it, so it looks good, We're heading on the track right now. Got all our fans watching us.
It's a full stadium.
It's a full stadium. You know, it's sold out, just that the people are on the other side, you know. Everybody's over there.
It's the warm-up lap. You gotta go around here and get used to the track. It's a hell of a steep
Yep.
bank too. This is way steeper.
Yeah, you can feel the angle. And we're on the low side. Yeah.